In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix error 503, maximum threads for service reached. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first things first, we need to go ahead and open up our web browser. And now we need to go see if Twitch is down. So go ahead and do a Google search and type in anything like Twitch is down or down detector. So go to any one of these sites and see if Twitch is down. If it is, or if there's spikes in your region, you just basically need to wait it out until that Twitch fixes it. Fix number 2 is to do a hard refresh. So open up Steam, and then from here we want to go ahead and click on Control and F5 on our keyboard. Now next fix is to click on the three dots. So I'm just going to pause this. So click on the three dots, click into settings, and click on to look for privacy and security to the right. Click on delete browsing data. Now from here, we will need to make sure, check on more all time, click on show more, make sure cookies and other site data is checked, cached image and files, and click on delete data. Fix number 4 is to try Twitch on incognito mode. So go into incognito mode, type in twitch.com, hit enter. Now, if it works, it's probably likely a browser extension is likely causing the issue. So if it is that, go ahead and come to your extensions, click on manage extensions, and just go ahead and disable all extensions inside of here. And then go back to Twitch, and if Twitch does work, go back to extensions and start enabling these one by one to find out which extension is the culprit. Okay, next fix is to go ahead and restart your router. So turn off your router, wait at least a minute, turn it back on. This refreshes your IP connection. Fix number 6 is to go ahead and flush your DNS. So this is a Windows fix. So basically we need to click in the search, type in CMD, and then run this as administrator. And then from here, we need to go ahead and click on where it says system 32. I'm putting IPin space flush DNS and hit enter.